Hey guys, this is Andy with Rice. Today I'll be showing you how to make Japan's most popular family-style comfort food called Sukiyaki. There are several versions of Sukiyaki all over Japan. The one I'll be showing you today is from the Kanto region. This cooking style is similar to the Western style fondues, where lots of different types of ingredients, meats and vegetables are cooked in a very flavorful, sweet and savory broth. One of the most popular accompaniments to sukiyaki is raw scrambled eggs. We highly recommend either purchasing pasteurized eggs or pasteurizing them yourself. You can easily do this if you have an immersion circulator. Set the immersion circulator to 135 degrees Fahrenheit and cook your eggs for 90 minutes. The resulting eggs will look raw, but they are completely safe to eat. Yaki tofu, otherwise known as grilled tofu, is very easy to make. All you need to do is to slice a block of firm tofu into 1-inch pieces, grease a pan with a little bit of vegetable oil, and then pan sear the tofu on top of the pan over medium-high heat. Move the tofu around a little bit because the moisture in the tofu will cool down the pan very quickly. You want to move your tofu to the hotter places as you're cooking. Flip the tofu over and continue cooking until you get a nice golden brown on each side. Now slice the tofu into about 1-inch blocks. Now to prepare the napa cabbage, all you have to do is slice it into bite-sized pieces. Same thing with the green onions. Cut them on the bias into about 1-inch pieces. With the shiitake mushrooms, cut off the stems and then cut little wedges out of the top of the shiitake mushrooms. This will help the mushrooms cook evenly and quickly. It also looks very pretty for presentation. Now we will prepare our dashi stock. Simmer about 1 quart of water and add a piece of kombu, otherwise known as kelp, and about 1/4 cup of bonito flakes. Allow this to simmer for about 15 minutes. Remove the kombu and then strain out your bonito flakes. Then set aside your dashi stock. Now to a pot, add 1 cup of sake, 1 cup of mirin, and 1 cup of soy sauce, followed by 1/4 cup of sugar. Cook this over medium heat and stir until everything is well incorporated. Combine a portion of the soy sauce mixture and a portion of the dashi until you get something that is to your taste. And then add that to the electric skillet until you get about 1 inch of depth of liquid. Today we're going to be using fresh udon noodles. But if you're using frozen noodles, simply follow the instructions on the package. Remove your udon noodles and put them into an ice bath to quickly cool it down and to stop the cooking process. Strain the water out and then set aside. Now start adding your ingredients, starting with the beef, swishing around until it's about halfway cooked. Followed by your mushrooms, the napa cabbage. This recipe is so simple and so delicious, and is perfect for friends and families when they get together. It also requires only using basic Japanese ingredients. All the things that you add to it is up to you. You can choose any vegetables or mushrooms or meats that you want and cook it to your liking. Your guests can add as much as they like and cook it for as long as they like. Allow it to simmer for a few minutes until everything is cooked. While you're eating, continue adding additional ingredients, including your udon noodles, as well as more meat and more vegetables, until everything is done. Dip it into your scrambled eggs and enjoy! We hope you give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed this video, Please like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of when our next video comes out. Till we eat again!